All right, folks, welcome back. We're doing our stop motion photography follow along where I'm going to walk you through the steps to create our disappearing nachos animation. Now, what I'm going to do is just show you a few steps at a time. Then I'm going to put instructions on the screen. When you see the on-screen instructions, just pause the video, do the steps, and when you're done, replay the video for the next set of steps. So here we go. All right, for this exercise, what I'm going to do is create a new FLA file. File, New, select HTML5 canvas, set the width to 800 and the height to 800, and hit OK. In order to see the full stage here, I'm going to use the magnification pull down and select Fit in Window. Next, I'm going to save the file using File, Save. And it's important here that I navigate to my stop motion nachos folder. Okay, so wherever you extracted the lesson files for this lesson, you're going to find stop motion nachos, and you're going to see a photos small folder in there. It's very important that we're saving in the right directory. And I'm going to call this Carl-Nachos. And you can put your name on there or just call it nachos. Doesn't matter. I'm going to hit save. Next, I'm going to import the images. So I'm going to go to File, Import, Import to Stage, and I want to make sure that I'm inside of my Stop Motion Nachos folder where I just saved my FLA, and then I'm going to click open my Photos Small folder, and here I want to select the image called IMG_7611. You'll see that it's part of a series of images, so I'm going to select 7611, hit Open, and then Animate is going to tell me, hey, this file appears to be part of a sequence of images. Do you want to import all of the images in the sequence? And I'm going to hit Yes. Good job. Now you'll notice that we have all of these images imported as keyframes. Now they start with no nachos, and as I slide forwards, we go to more nachos and more cheese. We want to reverse this sequence. So what you're going to do is click and hold your mouse down and drag to frame 10. That's going to select all of those frames. They should all be highlighted now. I'm going to click off, and one more time just to show you, you click, hold the mouse button down, and drag to select all the frames. With the frames selected, you're going to right click and choose Reverse Frames. Drag the playhead back and then hit Return to watch your nachos disappear. To add more time to each frame, so we can see it on screen longer, we're going to add more frames in between each keyframe. I'm going to hit F5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I'm going to select the next keyframe and hit F5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and do that for all the keyframes, including the last one. When you're done, your animation should be 60 frames long. And you can now go back to frame number 1, hit return or enter to play, and now you can watch your animation. Do a final File, Save, and congratulations, you're all done.
Did you yell woohoo? I don't think I heard a woohoo. Come on, woohoo! You did it. You made an animation. It's awesome. And next I'm going to show you how to share it with your friends. It's the best. Normal Dadini.